Welcome to SpotHopper's Table Management, Instant Insights, Faster Seating, Total Floor Control, Free Tables, Manage Reservations, and Fix Conflicts in seconds. Here's how to get started. Open the app and log in to your SpotHopper account. Select your restaurant or choose the relevant one if you manage multiple locations. Since no tables are added yet, the app opens on Edit Floor Plan. The app lets you choose a background, grid view, or none. Tap the pencil icon to rename the room. Drag and drop tables onto the floor plan. Add the table number and capacity, then tap Save. Set up the floor plan as needed. Select the bar button to add it to the floor plan. Switch between different shapes or rotate them accordingly. After you tap Save, your changes appear instantly. Click the three dots in the upper right corner to expand the sidebar menu. Then select Sections to manage table assignments. Rename the sections as needed, then tap Done. Continue until all your available sections are added. After that, assign tables to the correct section. Table capacity and guest count are shown under each section. Resizing floor plan to minimal view shows party status, table numbers, and total seats. In medium view, you'll see table numbers and total seats. In maximum view, all details appear directly on the floor plan. To add a new room, tap the plus sign and name it. Add tables to an existing section or a new one. The texting settings include transactional messages for the "Table is ready" text. You can choose between a neutral, casual, and formal tone. There is also a marketing section that sends the opt-in message to guests. This section also sends a notification when a party is added to the waitlist. Now let's see how a reservation works. The reservation layout is the same in both the floor plan and timeline views. When a new booking comes in, tap the reservations icon. You'll see the reservation listed with party details and time. Tap the entry to view or edit the booking. One of the first things you may want to do is assign the reservation to a table. Select a table and click on it to assign. You can also change the table later or even split the party across multiple tables. Reserved tables appear below the party's details. Or you can do it using the drag and drop method. Just drag and drop parties onto tables. If a conflict appears, drag one of the parties to another available table to resolve it. Drop the party onto a table to assign it. The party details will now display the assigned table number. Click Seat Now to set Gordon's party as pre-seated at the current time. The table number changes to a walking icon, showing the party is on its way. Tap the current time marker to return to today instantly. You can also click the pre-seated party to jump back to the current time. Click Party Seated to mark them as officially dining. The pre-seated icon turns into the seated icon, both in floor plan view and in timeline view. This helps you track how long each party has been dining. Edit lets you add a server note, assign another table, and view detailed party info, even if the party is already seated. For call-ins or later walk-ins, create a reservation in the Reservations tab, add guests, date, and time, then tap Find a Table. Enter your guest details and tap Request Reservation. The reservation is now added. As shown earlier, you can view full details and manage it. By activating the Ignore Business Hours and Capacity Settings toggle, a time outside of business hours becomes available. The waitlist helps when no tables are free, when a party arrives early, or when guests prefer to wait for their favorite table. Let's start by adding a party. Tap Plus, enter details, then click Add to Waitlist button. Click a party to view details and options. Tap Seat Now to select a table. If Table is Ready option is active, a text is sent to the party's phone. The chosen table shows the pre-seated icon. This happens by dragging and dropping the party onto a table in either the floor plan or a timeline view. or by opening the party details, selecting Seat Now, and choosing a table. A reservation can also be added to the waitlist if needed. Reservation parties show a tentfold icon and return to reservations if deleted, while waitlist-created parties have no icon and are removed. The drag and drop feature makes seating faster and easier. You can now drag a party directly onto a table in floor plan or timeline view and instantly adjust party priority in the waitlist. Let's start by dragging a party to a table in floor plan. Once dropped, the table becomes reserved. The party then appears under the next in line queue. The same action works in timeline view. Just drag and drop parties onto tables. If a conflict appears, drag one of the parties to another available table to resolve it. Waitlist parties assigned to tables by dragging are set to pre-seated immediately at the current time. In timeline view, a pre-seated party can be reassigned by dropping it onto any free table. Available tables are shown in blue and releasing assigns the party. In floor plan, a pre-seated party can also be reassigned by dragging it from the waitlist onto another table. When a table is already pre-seated, you can't assign another party to it in the floor plan. It's clearly shown with a red square border around the table. A long press on a party in the waitlist allows you to reorder it. Drag it higher to prioritize or lower to reduce priority. In timeline view, the row turns red when a table is unavailable. Hover over an empty table to seat the party by releasing. Statuses show if reservations are confirmed, pending, or canceled. Reservations created from SpotHopper's reservations page have the status set to waiting on you. Website reservations have the status set to confirmed if auto-confirm is enabled. If auto-confirm is turned off, the status will be unconfirmed. The same rule applies to reservations made through table management. Regardless of the party's current status, assigning a table will change it to confirmed. You can do this by dragging and dropping the party onto a table in the floor plan or timeline view. You can also assign a table by opening the party details and selecting one there. The canceled status removes the party from the application. The Free All Tables button appears after login or 5 hours of inactivity. In the Edit Floor Plan view, you can clear all tables or only those in a specific room. This action also clears the parties assigned to those tables. A table can be blocked in any layout view, whether you are in floor plan or timeline. While a table is blocked, no party can be assigned to it. Click the Unblock table to make the table available. Click a table to see upcoming parties assigned to it. Next in line shows upcoming reservations, letting you view and manage which party is scheduled next. Tables with assigned parties show a countdown to the party's arrival. Open search to find any ongoing party. Type a letter and matching parties appear with status and phone number. Tap Feedback and a pop-up field appears for entering your thoughts, questions, or feedback.